In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Microsoft Teams to n8n. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable connection that lets your workflows talk to Microsoft Teams without repeating setup each time. First, open n8n and look toward the left side of the screen. Click on Personal, then head into the Credentials tab. This is where n8n safely stores connections to external services. In the top right corner, click Create Credential. That button starts the setup flow and ensures your configuration is saved for use across multiple workflows. Next, in the Credential Setup window, use the search box to find Microsoft Teams. Select Microsoft Teams from the results and click Continue. Choosing the correct app template is important because it preloads the right authentication method and fields, so you won't have to guess what information is required. Now it's time to enter the credentials needed for the API connection. These are the details that let n8n authenticate with Microsoft Teams through your organization's Microsoft Identity Platform. Typically, you'll paste in values like an application ID and secret, and if applicable, a tenant identifier. Make sure you copy and paste carefully, double-check for extra spaces, and confirm that your account has permission to access Teams data. For clarity and future maintenance, give your credential a clear, descriptive name so you can easily recognize it later. When everything looks correct, click Save. If you see a confirmation message, that's a good sign your connection is ready to use. If your workspace provides a test option, feel free to use it to confirm the details are valid, but if not, saving is enough to proceed. With the credential saved, you can now use this connection inside your n8n workflows. Open or create a workflow, add a Microsoft Teams node, and when prompted to choose credentials, select the one you just saved. This links the node to your Teams account so you can build automations like posting messages to channels, fetching team data, or triggering actions based on events from other tools. If you're organizing multiple automations, reusing the same credential keeps everything consistent and easier to manage. And that's all there is to it. You navigated to Personal, opened the Credentials tab, created a new credential, selected Microsoft Teams, entered your authentication details, saved the connection, and you're ready to drop Teams nodes into any workflow. Keep your credentials secure, label them clearly, and enjoy building powerful automations with n8n and Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.